Here we are at the airport, just thinking of heading for Nootka Sound. Got a bit of stuff packed up in the plane. My hangar mate's working on his engine rebuild in frame on the Turner A40. Looking forward to seeing that done soon.
And here we are just heading up Lake Cowichan. You can probably see Sean maybe up ahead of me there. A couple of miles just on the climb heading across the Broken Group. Here we are, you can see out to Nitnat. Maybe you can't. Should have cleaned my bugs off the window. Having a little trouble seeing Sean here, but just kind of heading straight for Ucluelet there now, and yeah.
Smooth ride across here today.
Yeah, well, if Sharon doesn't come on a trip, it's usually gorgeous. Hey Sean, just passing that repeater tower before we get to the Alberni Inlet there, and I'll probably start a slow descent down to 2500 for Ucluelet kind of area.
Yeah, we're just past the Cerrito River dryland short there, and I'm just going to stay at 45 till I get closer to Ucluelet and drop down to about 2,000 feet, and I'll probably talk to Tofino and go through their zone up the beach.
Sounds good, yeah, I'll just follow your lead then.
Two fish boats out down there.
Yeah, a couple of them there. Must be something out there. Yeah, I can spot that dry land, no problem. Still having a hard time picking you out. It's amazing how hard it is once you get a few miles apart.
Oh, I know, it's terrible.
One of these days we'll have that fancy ADS-B, and then we'll just be able to look.
I thought you would have had that already in experimental.
Yeah, I've not made the money yet. Just coming up on Ucluelet here, and going to turn along and fly along the beach on the way past Tofino Airport.
Hardy radio, it's Foxtrot Bravo Mike Tango.
Foxtrot Bravo Mike Tango, Hardy radio.
Hardy radio, Cessna 185, Foxtrot Bravo Mike Tango. We're 10 to the east, 2,000 feet, like to transit the zone down the beach, down to the Nootka.
Tofino altimeter 3004, squawk 7174.
And Topino, Glasgow, Charlie Golf, India, Sierra, Foxtrot, just over Ucluelet, 3,100 feet on the descent to 2,000, following the 182 up to Nootka.
Golf India, Sierra Foxtrot, heard your radio, roger. Topino altimeter 3004, squawk 7177. Understand you have traffic ahead of you.
India, Sierra, Fox, I do have traffic ahead of you, and that was 7177 for India, Sierra, Fox.
That's a report, clear the zone.
India, Sierra, Fox.
Hardy radio, Bravo Mike Tango is clearing your zone westbound.
Bravo Mike Tango, Archer.
And Topino, India, Sierra, Fox is clearing your zone to the northwest.
India, Sierra Fox, roger.
One of these things is smaller than the others. Have a look at the sand there. Hardly makes a mark in it. It's pretty neat. The poor fellow now, he's got a whole crew for judging.
Oh, shit, there's
Oh, that's... Do we know that beaver? If you're not happy, just go again, buddy. Yes? Oh, no.
no.
Okay.
Well, he's on 123 too.
All right, he's looking good.
He's definitely. I thought I showed you that picture
Not too bad. There's lots of sand on the other side. Just keep going. Just keep going.
Nothing floats like a bath.
Here we are. Sorry, Molly. Should have come along. – interloper. Oh, I think, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, a small block of cheese, excellent.